Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of mirror frame design. Today we are diving deep into the reclaim of creativity of aesthetic, uncovering innovative ideas to enhance your mirrors to elevate to overall ambience of any space. From modern minimalism to integrate Oriental style mirror frame have the power to transform a simple reflective surface into a stunning pieces of art that captivate the eyes. Join us to explore a flora of design, inspiration, materials, and techniques, empowering you to make to informed choice and create a perfect mirror frame for your personal style and interior decor performance. First, let's explore the world of modern mirror frame. The claim line, sleek finish, and minimalist approach of modern design lend themselves perfectly to mirror frame, incorporating materials such as polished metal, cyclic, or even glass can create a contemporary look that exudes elegance and sophistication. Thin metal frame with brushed finishes or geometric shape add a touch of modernity without overpowering the mirror itself, creating a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal. Remember, less is often more when it comes to modern design, allowing the mirror to become a statement piece while effortlessly complementing the surrounding space. Moving on, let's venture into the reclaim and traditional mirror frame design. Classic style have stood the test of time for a reason, and they continue to bring a sense of timeless beauty to any room. Ornate wooden frame with intricate carving, blended accent and rich finishes are of the beyond are adding a touch of opulence and grandeur from barbecue to ensuring a seamless integration with your overall interior aesthetic. Do not be afraid to embrace rich warm tones like mahogany or walnut, which can further enhance the textures, ambience, and the depth of your space. From those seeking a more electric approach, mixing and watching different style can result in a unique mirror frame design that truly stand out. Experiment with blending modern and traditional elements, juxtaposing smooth contemporary lines with oriental detail. Imagine a wooden frame with clean edges but embroidered with delicate material accent or glass mosaic patterns. Such combination can create a visually sticking pieces that showcase your creativity and adds an up visit your decor. Remember to consider the overall theme of the room and strike to balance between different design elements to cohesion and harmonious look. Let us Let us explore the vast array of materials that can be used to craft stunning mirror frame. Wood remain a popular choice, offering versatility, durability, and natural beauty. Different wood species such as oak, cherry, or maple during unique properties and grains that add warmth and texture to the frame. Alternatively, materials like stainless steel, brass, copper provide a sleek and contemporary aesthetic, and they can be finished in various ways to achieve the desired effect. Do not to overlook materials like recycled materials, driftwood, or even fabric wrap frame, which can introduce an element of coefficient to softness of your mirror design. Discuss the importance of proper installation and maintenance of your mirror frame. Once you choose a perfect design and material, its circle ensure that the mirror is entirely mounted and properly maintained. Consider the weight of the frame and mirror can selecting appropriate hanging hardware. It always follow furniture guidance for installation.